Welcome to another vehicle walk around. Today we're looking at our 2021 Toyota GR Supra 3.0. This 2-passenger coupe is rear wheel drive. Let's do an exterior walk around. In the front you have your tinted Toyota logo. The rims are 19-inch aluminum alloy. You also have a deep tinted window, as well as these carbon fiber aerodynamics to funnel the wind. In the back, we have tinted taillights, as well as a carbon fiber spoiler. Inside, we have a B58 engine that has straight 6 turbocharged and gets 382 horsepower. This was on Ward's 10 best engine list 4 times. Let's take a look on the inside now. On our key fob, we have trunk, lock, and unlock. Once inside, you're going to notice that you have your power locks as well as your power windows and switch for the left and right mirrors. Right below the seat, you have your memory seat settings. Next to the steering wheel, you have your automatic high beams switches. And the Supra comes equipped with beautiful black leather upholstery. Let's take a look on the inside now. On the steering wheel, on the left side, you have your cruise control settings. On the right side, you have your volume buttons as well as call commands. On our home screen monitor, currently we have our backup camera as well as our all-around digital screen. On our home screen, we have our Bluetooth phone settings as well as navigation. Below that, we have programmable buttons that allow you to change things such as put on your favorite radio station, bring up navigation with one click, anything like that. You also have your manual volume buttons. Below that, we have our AC controls as well as our heated seats. You have a wireless charging pad inside here. Right on this side, you have your manual button controls for the digital screen, as well as our different driving modes like Sport. Here's a last look at our beautiful 2021 Toyota GR Supra 3.0 that comes equipped with LCD monitor with programmable buttons, tinted glass and accessories, as well as a B58 straight 6-cylinder engine. Come down to Northwest Edmonton Toyota to take it for a test drive and find out more.